Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best benchtop drill presses available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, we'll help you find the right tool for your projects. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the WIN 2.3 amp 8-inch 5-speed cast iron benchtop drill press, model 4206T. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those just starting out or working on smaller projects. Powered by a 2.3 amp induction motor, it offers an 8-inch swing and a spindle travel of 2 inches, making it great for light-duty drilling tasks. The unit operates at 5 speeds ranging from 750 to 3200 RPM, giving you flexibility for different materials like wood or soft metals. Plus, the beveling work table tilts up to 45 degrees for angled drilling. In terms of design, this drill press is compact and lightweight, weighing just 32 pounds, which makes it easy to move around your workshop. The cast iron base ensures stability during use, while onboard chuck key storage prevents you from misplacing essential tools. However, the smaller work table and lower power output mean it's best suited for hobbyists rather than heavy-duty applications. For under $100, the WIN 4206T offers excellent value. It's ideal for beginners or anyone needing a compact, affordable drill press for occasional use. Just keep in mind its limitations in power and size. Pros: affordable, compact, and versatile for light tasks. Cons: limited power and not ideal for heavy-duty drilling. Coming in at number 3 is the Skill 10-inch benchtop drill press, model DP950500. This mid-range option packs a punch with its 6.2 amp induction motor, making it significantly more powerful than the WEN models we just discussed. It features a 10-inch swing and a 5-speed system ranging from 610 to 2800 RPM, making it versatile for various materials like wood, metal, and plastics. The standout feature here is the laser alignment system, which ensures precise drilling every time. Additionally, it has an adjustable depth stop for consistent drilling and an LED work light to illuminate your workspace. The tilting work table allows for angled drilling, and the bump-off switch adds an extra layer of safety. At 46.6 pounds, it's heavier but still manageable for most workshops. The Skill DP950500 is a solid choice for intermediate users or those who need more power and precision. It's perfect for detailed woodworking or metalworking projects. Pros: powerful motor, laser alignment, and LED light for precision. Cons: slightly bulkier and pricier than entry-level models. In second place, we have the Vevor 12-inch benchtop drill press. This model is a step up in both power and versatility, featuring a 5-amp induction motor and a variable speed control system ranging from 580 to 3,200 RPM. The 12-inch swing and sturdy cast iron construction make it suitable for heavy-duty applications, whether you're working with wood, metal, or other materials. What sets the Vevor apart is its advanced features, including a digital LED screen for precise speed adjustments and a Class 3A laser for accurate drilling. The tilting work table, 0 to 45 degrees, adds versatility for angled cuts, and the heat dissipation system ensures prolonged usage without overheating. However, at nearly 85 pounds, it's the heaviest model so far, so it's not as portable. The Vevor is ideal for serious hobbyists or professionals who need a reliable, durable drill press for demanding projects. Pros: powerful motor, variable speed control, and robust build quality. Cons: heavy and less portable for smaller workshops. Finally, at number 1, we have the Jet 12-inch benchtop drill press, model JWDP12. This premium drill press is designed for professionals and serious woodworkers who demand top-tier performance. With a 1/2 HP motor and a variable speed range of 530 to 3100 RPM, it delivers consistent power and precision for even the toughest tasks. The innovative Exacta laser system ensures pinpoint accuracy, while the oversized ergonomic knobs provide better control and ease of use. The build quality is exceptional, with a cast iron base and retractable roller extension for added workpiece support. The LED work light enhances visibility during intricate tasks, and the clear, linear scale with depth stop ensures precise, repeatable results. Weighing 85 pounds, it's a heavy-duty machine designed for stability rather than portability. The Jet JWDP-12 is the ultimate choice for professionals who need a high-performance, reliable, and feature-packed drill press. Pros: premium build, variable speed, and advanced features like the Exacta laser. Cons: expensive and weighs more than other models. However, if you're looking for the best of the best, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy drilling.